Ganda oh, pare, tignan mo. Sobrang ano talaga sa wrist ko. Honestly, nakita ko, sabi ko, I want it, pero no longer business na pag ganun. End user na ako nun, boss, pag binili ko ng ganun.
Medyo masakit sa loob, pero
kasi actually, ang offer ko is mas mababa. Stop guys, another watch, another day. Pare, I didn't get your name. Jay. Sir, kamusta? How are you? Jay is here. He's trying to offer me something. Nakita ko na sa wrist niya, kaya hindi ko mapigilan kiligin. So this is one of the Grail watches that I've been looking for, pero I've already seen couple of watches, pero may standard ako pare. I have really standard, high standard on this watch. Siyempre, kailangan ko i-meet lahat ng standard ko na yun. Alright? Sige. This is the Explorer 2 na vintage, or the 1655 or 16550 to?
1655.
This is what we call the McQueen. This is one of the Grail na vintage. What year is this, sir?
1981.
So does this come with anything like box, papers, authentication, service, anything, sir?
Certification siya from a service. This is the paper that I have.
Caliber 1570 should be correct. Let's go to the $1 million question. How much?
I'm looking...
Wait lang, sir. Bago mo sabihin sa akin magkano to, saan mo muna siya nakuha?
Reseller na rin.
Is there any story behind this?
Matagal ko na siyang hinahanap sa kanya. Pinahanap ko talaga siya. Bigla siya nag-text. May available siya. Medyo at that time, hirap ako. Tapos ito, with a better condition. Yan ang kinuha ko.
How much did you get it for?
Got it for 950,000.
You're not gonna profit from me. Do you need the money?
Yeah, medyo masakit sa loob, pero...
How bad do you need the money? Kasi actually, ang offer ko is mas mababa. Ganda oh, pare, tignan mo. Sobrang ano talaga sa wrist ko. This is really one of my Grail watches. The reason also that I'm not buying it is, pag nakuha ko na kasi to, wala na yung giggle na para hanapin pa siya, makuha everything. I wanna check everything. If it's okay with you. Sure. One thing that I've noticed, very polished na. So, hindi na siya ganun ka-sharp. You can always laser weld naman to get it back to the original. Yep, it's a 1655 reference.
Just late, nagtik-tik na rin ako kasi medyo malaking risk ko eh.
May loop ba tayo dyan? Do you mind to share kung kaninong reseller mo siya nakuha?
I think kilala niyo siya, Classic Watch Manila.
Yun yung naisip ko kagad, is Classic Watch Manila. Have you tried offering it to him?
Not yet. Yun nga, pinahanap ko kasi sa kanya.
Can we open this to check yung caliber? It's Patrick 69.
Si caliber yan, Bo.
Oh, pabuksan lang to check ko yung loob. Yep, it is a 1570, so we have a correct caliber for this watch. So how much is your last?
Pinahaw ko kasi ng at least 1M sana.
Oh shoot, I was thinking 700.
Hindi kaya.
So I would sell it the same price that you bought it for. Well, meron akong actually someone offered me a 1.3 but complete with papers kasi. That's an auction ready and auction worthy watch. Because I'm a little biased over this. I'll call some friends. Tawagan ko to si Jaime. Hello bro, kamusta? Busy ka? Alright, sige. I have out here on my hand a McQueen na 1655. It's a 1981. How much do you think a watch only of this? The buyer is asking 950. Yeah, he got it actually kay MA eh. Di ba? Halos same lang tayo. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Tawag pa ako na isa pa. Secret to. Boss, kamusta? Boss, may tanong lang ako. May 1655 ka, McQueen. Di ba nakakuha ka? Magkano mo nakuha if you don't mind ah? Parang 1.3? Pero ano yun eh, auction worthy kasi yun eh. Sige. Thank you, boss. Ito mas mababa pa.
Kaya sobrang bihira niyan.
Well, actually marami nang dumadaan sa akin. Yun nga lang yung standard ko talaga. Of course, one of the price and yung condition.
Kaya lang baka albino na yun.
Albino means guys, yung namumuti na. And then also yung albino bezel, yung wala na yung mga nakasulat. I can't go that. I would offer siguro max ko nasa line of 700 to mga 750 siguro. Kasi kailangan ko pa-service to. And I look for a correct box for this. Kuha pa ako ng mga siguro kahit inclusions lang na correct to the date of this one. Kahit wala yung mismong papers niya. I mean, I would really be really happy kung makuha ko siya around the known price. Just for me to have a safe haven na hindi ako malulugi if ever I sell it. Pero honestly, if I get this, I'm not gonna sell it eh.
Pero yung silip kanina eh, iba eh.
Honestly, nakita ko, sabi ko I want it, pero no longer business na pag ganun. End user na ako nun, boss, pag binili ko ng ganun.
Yun na talaga sagad mo.
Yun na talaga sagad mo. Like I was around 700 earlier, extended it to 750. I didn't like yung dent doon sa loob ng glass. Well, I'm sure that you know that. Ano, hindi kaya. It's another one to look for an end user that really likes it.
Pang collector talaga siya.
Collector siya. Anyway, sir, maraming salamat. Thank you for your time and thank you for, you know, letting me at least see the watch. Sabi nila, lahat daw nabibili ko na. Hindi lahat, guys. Hindi lahat nabibili ko na. Pero darating tayo dyan.